We have 4 types of Beyblades: attack, balance, stamina, and defense. Attack attacks the opponent, stamina outspins all Beyblades, defense, and balance Beyblades is a balance of all the other types. Next, we have the systems of Beyblade. In season 4, we have the GT system, and there's 3 parts in the layer. There's the layer base, the weight, and the chip. You first put the layer base, then you put the chip, and you place the chip, lock it in, and then next up we have the sparking system. We have the sparking chip, the sparking ring. We have chassis and a driver, and then we have chassis where there's 2 different types. There's a single chassis and double chassis. Double chassis is a fused chassis and disc, and in the single chassis you can put any disc you want. And also in the season 4 system there is a disc and driver. And in the season 6 stadium, which is the Dynamite Battle system, we have the DB core, the DB ring, or the DB blade. We have the armor, the disc, and the driver. And next up we have, and you can also change the modes. Here for example, you can put the armor on top and the chip underneath and lock it in, so you have high mode, or you can put the armor underneath and put the chip on the top to have low mode. In low mode, the center of gravity is lower and it looks more like a normal Beyblade, whereas in high mode there's a big gap between the disc and the layer, and it also has a higher center of gravity. So you can put rubber on your layer, for example in Vanish Fafnir or the full Fafnir evolution Beyblades. And also you have Rage Longness, which has metal, an enormous amount of metal in the layer. You also have gimmicks on the layer which you can look out, and you have gimmicks in disc, for example the convert disc. Now this is the unbalanced mode, which you can see in the picture, and you could twist it around so the metal part, which you can see on the yellow part, will be on the top, so it'll be a bit more balanced. You can find this on Union Achilles. So in drivers, you have a combination of a disc and driver combined. For example, the hybrid and the ignition drivers, they are both also electric drivers. We'll start off with the spring locks. All of them mostly have normal spring locks which are white in color, but in the left hand side, in the bottom you can see it has a red spring lock. That means it has a tighter spring lock, and these drivers are called dash drivers. And to its right we have a metal destroy driver. It is called that as it has a metal spring lock, just like the dash driver, but it is metal. It does damage your teeth a bit, but it is very tight. You also have electric drivers. For example, the ignition driver, it moves around the stadium and it suddenly changes its spin. It stops for a second and then moves in left spin if your Beyblade is right. And the hybrid driver, it turns on an electric switch and it will go fast around the stadium, and it will slow down and stop, and then it will start again. It has one of the most amazing staminas I've ever seen. And also we have the short driver from the new Savior Valkyrie in DB. It has a gimmick where it starts off with a sharp tip, like you can see in the top, and in the bottom you can see it has a taller tip, and it also it's flat. What happens is, in the middle of the match, it will come out and Savior Valkyrie will hop a little, and then it will start moving around the stadium very fast as it has a flat tip. The disadvantage here is that it does not have much stamina and its attack is not that great, but the gimmick is very awesome, and Savior Valkyrie is one of the most fun Beyblades to play with. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry I've not been uploading because I just didn't have the time, and I'll be trying to upload from now on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.